Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here in Chatswood. We are in the Hawker Street and we are back again to Lamb and Cumin. Just try their famous chicken skewers. So this time we are trying the peri-peri chicken skewer, and I think the last time we tried the spicy chicken skewers.
Hot and spicy
chicken skewers.
Yeah.
Just like the last time, it smells really good. So I'm gonna try the peri-peri chicken skewers. Look at this. It's so nicely glazed. I can see the caramelized parts of the chicken. And this is peri-peri chicken. So last time we tried the hot and spicy chicken skewers. And just like the last time, it has, what's this called?
Sesame seeds.
Sesame seeds, yeah. It's coated with sesame seeds. I can see some chili flakes as well. So let's give it a try. It's so good. It's so yummy. The chicken is cooked to the right proportion. It's not overcooked, and I'm getting some flavors. I can't express it, but it's really good. It's better than the last time, I think. It's really good. I'm getting the char smell. Let's go back in time where we tried the hot and spicy chicken skewers at Lamb and Cumin's, the same place. Naked skewers, and you can see it's
Steaming hot.
hot.
Can you just show it towards your t-shirt? I can see the steam coming up from the t-shirt. Oh wow, it looks so good. That looks so good, guys.
Good. It's not very spicy.
Looks like the chicken is tender.
Yeah, it's very juicy and tender. There is sesame seeds. So definitely can see some chili coating, and the sides are charred. It's really good. See how juicy this is, and it's steaming hot.
Yeah. Look at this. It's coated with sesame, and the chicken is so nicely charred. It's piping hot, and I can't wait to taste this. Chicken is juicy, tender, evenly marinated with salt and all spices, and I can get that charcoaly grilled flavors as well. I like the place where it is actually charred at the sides, and it looks so shiny. Definitely should try this if you are a chicken satay lover. Good, really good. But it's not spicy though. Good. Definitely try this.